What if I told you hackers can hack Instagram accounts using a simple tools in just minutes? In this video, I am going to show you how hackers do it step by step using social fish. But why? This is only for educational purpose, so you can protect yourself from this attack. Let's begin. First, we need to install social fish. Open your terminal and type this command. I will provide the link in the description. This tool allows us to create phishing pages for multiple social media platforms, including Instagram. After running the script, it gives us a menu of platforms. I will select Instagram. The tool asks you to choose a port. In this case, I press enter to leave it on the default port 8080. Social fish will now create a phishing page that looks exactly like Instagram login page. Right now, this phishing page is running on our local machine, which means only we can access it. If a victim enters their credentials here, the username and password will appear in our terminal. As you can see, here is the victim username and password. But what if we want to send this phishing page to someone over the internet? For that, we use Cloudflare. Cloudflare creates a secure tunnel to your local and gives you a public URL. You can visit the official Cloudflare website to download it, or install it by typing sudo apt install Cloudflare. But this doesn't work on many Linux distros. Now let's run social fish and select Instagram again. Now social fish hosts a local phishing page on port 8080 again. So let's open a new terminal and use Cloudflare to make it accessible over the internet. You can do that by typing Cloudflare tunnel tag URL, local phishing page URL. This will make the phishing page accessible over the internet. Cloudflare will generate a public link something like this. You can share this link with your victim. When they open it, the page loads exactly like Instagram, and their credential will still come to your terminal. When the victim enters their username and password, you will see them here in the terminal, just like before. How hackers use this and how to stay safe. Hackers use this method for phishing attacks. The easiest way to protect yourself is always check the URL carefully before entering your credentials. Enable two-factor authentication. Never click on suspicious links even if they look real. This was an ethical hacking demo for educational purpose only. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about phishing attacks.